So I said she got to put her shoes on. Take your feet.
Go ahead, show them feet. Show them feet. Let's see.
Can I get out?
I'll take the shoe off.
He's had surgery on his.
You better put it up.
Let me see.
You see that? Okay, I see you work.
Okay.
Good.
I see. I ain't got no vegetables on there.
You know it? Are you on video?
Oh, hey, boo-boos. I'm Sasha, the diva. And let me break down diva for you. Beautiful, intelligent, wise. My sister knows how to balance business and family. Because, see, I have a husband, too. So that means I get up and cook him breakfast and spank that also. But at the same time, I take care of business. And this is my business.
So she take care of business. We're official business. So everything we do is official.
Absolutely. Kiss 104, Atlanta's R&BC. We are old school, but we're not old. This is music that y'all need to be incorporating. What's your line?
My swag French, so you know we kissing. Hey, look for that. You know, all about my swag. My swag French, so you know we kissing.
Give me a kiss.
Oh, for real? You know it?
I'm jealous.
Oh, hold on. Official one too.
Oh, this beautiful, beautiful baby. He's good. He's good.
All I want to do, y'all need to watch out for her. She finna shut it down. She finna have all the little, you know, she finna have the whole little crowd rocking. And she got her toes right. She finna put her shoes on in a minute, but you know we had to get a little footage from Miss Sasha because she, you know, she said she was a diva.
They're so sweet, and I love them, and we're supposed to support each other, right?
Oh, that's what we ain't gonna suppose. We are.
We are gonna support. Did y'all hear about my my karaoke person? Oh my God! Wait till you hear. Off the chain.
Off the chain.
Hi. How you doing?